Hello guys, welcome back to Learning While Farming, and we're here back again in the corn, and today we will be fertilizing it, throwing some urea on the roots of it, and all for the purpose of good production. We're expecting some rains, so I want to advance work and get this over with. Also, it's supposed to be cold, right? I'm just used to wearing this hoodie or sweater for the fact that I don't want feeling all itchy because of the corn. So, all right, for those who don't know, this is the urea. It's a white, really white substance. Its main base is basically nitrogen. So this is what we will be fertilizing the corn with. The final fertilization, I assume. So I'll show you guys how I do it, and it will be a short clip. I just want to put something into my channel. So yeah. And since the corns are pretty close by, I go throwing it like if it was cane. Cane is something that is produced massively here in Belize as well. So it's just an example. Since it's pretty close, I'll just go throwing it there on the root, and since it will rain, it will dissolve because the dilution is in water. But yeah, it would dissolve and the roots will consume it, take it in, and better production. I have about 17 to 18 rows of corn, and it will take a while. It is the only disadvantage of using fertilizer like this and throwing it in batches and bunches is that you waste a lot more. But if it's raining, it stays there, and it's better for the plant. The roots absorb it even better. The wind is picking up. I came a bit late today, but more action than words. So I won't record myself in there because you won't be able to see me. It's getting pretty tall, and it's complicated, and I want to get this over with. It seems that it's kind of clearing up because supposedly it's cold, they say, but it's not cold now. But yeah. Alright, so the sun is already sitting down. It's already 5:20. I wasn't able to finish everything. I did more than half. So tomorrow we're gonna be finishing first God, and let's see how it goes. Right now I'm gonna go home and just inspect the tomatoes, and yeah. But yeah, tomorrow it's gonna continue this video, so I won't end it over here. So and right there you guys can see how the parrots are dodging here the corn. This corn over here, this old corn, and that's the problem right here. Is you come pretty early and you wake up before us. All of that crowd all after my corn. It's like that out here, but you just gotta move on. Alright, so I'm currently done fertilizing the corn, and I'm here walking in between this older one, and man, it's a mess. These parrots, these birds, the doves, they just keep on destroying and destroying. Thing is, no matter how much you take care of it, you will always find a time to come and eat when you're not around. Look behind me. That's exactly what I'm talking about. If I wasn't here, they would come down here and ruin much more corn, eat, and then it's all a system here, you know. The parrots tend to come here, show you here. They eat. Same with the little doves, the brown doves. Whatsoever falls, you have the I don't remember the name in English, but in Spanish they call it codorniz. I'll translate it. And they come eating what's on the bottom. So it's an entire system of birds over here, and they somehow tag team and manage to function it perfectly. So with this upcoming corn, I have to be way more careful. Here I'm trying to sneak up on one of these little doves. Oh, but they've heard me. Do you see it? I don't know if the camera caught it. Well, yes, guys, this is what I was saying. These little crumbs right here are eaten by the codorniz. I still haven't figured out the name, but yeah. Basically, for today, it's just a short video. I mean, yesterday and today, fertilizing the corn, and that's. I'll try to put better content out there. I'm really into this, but yeah. See you guys in the next episode. That will be very soon. So take care.